Good afternoon, everyone. Today I am Bharti Kumari from BBM second year PPU batch 2 going to discuss case study on Zudio. Here is some brief introduction about Zudio. Zudio is started by Tata Group in Bangalore 2016 and gets established in 2019. And the Zudio is basically owned by Trent Limited Company under Tata Group. Zudio having product, clothing, footwear, cosmetics, skincare, and longwear. Then there is a pricing. Zudio use three types of pricing strategy. First, penetration pricing. Second, competitive pricing. Third, psychological pricing. Penetration pricing is basically in which penetration pricing is basically strategy in which the price of product is low in the beginning and later on it's increased according to the market environment. Then the second is competitive pricing. It is in this price is set according to the competitor. Third, psychological pricing. In psychological pricing, they set the price in odd number, like 199 or 99, like this. Then in place, Zudio have physical stores and Tata Click. Then segmentation, Zudio have two types of segmentation. First, demographic and then psychographic segmentation. Target, Zudio target customer from all ages group. Basically, Zudio target all age customers, and the main target of Zudio brand is the middle class family or the common family which have medium income. And in positioning, they ensure that their product quality should be better and but with a reasonable price. Then there is a sales promotion. Zudio use only one type of sale promotion, and that is consumer sale promotion, which is also known as word of mouth. And Zudio not using any kind of advertisement, not even the print media. They only use word of mouth to spread about their product and about their brand. Now there is objective of sale promotion. First, increasing trial by new prospective customers of the product. Second, brand switching by customers. Third, buying earlier than usual requirement by customer. Fourth, buying in quantities more than usual by customers. Third, increasing off season buying by customers. Sixth, store switching by customer. Seventh, attracting new customers. Okay, now there is some strategy which is used for Zudio. First, identify the right audience. In this, basically, and under this strategy, they basically ensure that they should target their right audience. Their right audience is, of course, the common public or middle class families with medium income, or we can say average income. Now, under that there is some uh, data which show their sales year by year. Now, then second strategy is low cost of purchase. So under this, basically they minimize the production cost. Now there is question arise that how they minimize the production cost, because production cost can't be minimized up to that level. Zudio basically use the strategy which is also known as private labeling. In private labeling, what happened that they don't have their own factories or manufacturing site. They used to give orders in bulk to other small retailers, sellers, or manufacturer, and then they label that with their own brand. Then there is a third strategy which Zudio used is FOCO model. Then what is FOCO model? So see, they all know that there is franchises. There are three types of franchises. First COCO, then FOFO, then FOCO. So the COCO means company owned, company operated. Basically, under this model, what happened that there is